you're experiencing FPS drops in Call of Duty, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers to ensure optimal performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher like Battle.net or Steam. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help with performance issues. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature using monitoring software. Overheating can cause performance drops, so ensure your PC is well ventilated and clean from dust. Consider adding cooling solutions if necessary. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming experience.